YouTube, what's good? We back here at SuperStik Customs in the studio with another custom for y'all today. So we got, of course, you know, some white Air Force Ones. And what we're going to be doing with these today, we're going to be turning them into a Cookie Monster custom. So we're going to need a couple things. We're going to need your Cookie Monster fabric. God damn it, Nike. What the fuck y'all be doing? Look at this shit. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, I'm gonna do one for TikTok and I'm gonna do one for YouTube. So I'm gonna take this one, set this one to the side. And we're gonna work on this one. Like, what the fuck was y'all doing? Like, somebody put these bitches on and they just laced them bitches up tight as hell and ran around the motherfucking Nike outlet. That's what it looked like. So, okay, what I'm gonna do now is, before I acetone or do anything, I'm gonna make the holes for the rope laces. So, of course, get your Dremel, sandstone. Scrape that off. Don't wet it. If you wet it, don't get your stitching dirty. So just use a brush to brush it out. Yeah, don't use no acetone, none of that. Do that, your white stitching gonna be fucked. You don't want that. And what I like to do too is put some tape right here so the sock liner won't get fucked up too. So even though I might be painting the sock liner, sometimes I might not. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sock liner though, but put tape right there. Turn it around, go through the back. You only do that one for the top hole because you still got a pad on the back. So there you go. That's how you're gonna make your hole for your rope. Okay, so the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna sand it down. We'll sand the areas down that we're gonna put the fabric on. So I'm putting the fabric on the toe cap and all around the side. So that's what we're gonna do. What you're gonna do now is get you some acetone, and we're gonna acetone the areas that we had sanded down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over it about 3 to 4 times with different cotton rounds. Okay, so after you done acetone and everything, what we're gonna do is take our tape and we're gonna make a template. This is Scotch 2020 contractor grade tape, and I'm using it to make the templates. Pen and push right along the lip. Keep it right, oh shit. Keep it right up along the lip. Press up, press the, keep pressing down through the edges. You ain't gotta go too hard because you're gonna rip through the tape. Take your time. Most crucial steps, so take your time. Voila, there you go. And then you just make sure you mark it. That way you don't get either side mixed up. So that's the left toe cap. And now I'm going to do this side. Same way, just do it the same way. Trace around.
We must pay homage to him.
Okay, so after you take your tape off of your templates, you're gonna place them down on the fabric of where you want it at. And I got my spots right here, so I'm gonna just take my rotary tool and just cut around. That's where I can. And like I said, you could get this off of Etsy, Amazon, or whatever and shit. I got this from Etsy though. Okay, what scissors I want? Like I said, get you some good fabric scissors once again. The brand is called Gunston, whatever. So, you know, I'm gonna leave a link. Some of the best fabric scissors you can have. So like I said, I'm gonna try to do this the best way possible on camera. Give me something to cut out real quick. All right. Make sure everything pressed down. All right, I'm gonna try to do this best I can for y'all. Get right along the edge. So there you go, you got the toe cap. So make sure it fits and everything before you proceed. Oh yeah, should fit like a glove if you did everything right. So what I'm gonna go in and just cut these. And then we'll be right back.
We must pay homage to him.
Alright, so after you cut everything out, go get your Barge Infinity, or SuperStik. I always call it Infinity because that's just the other one. But yeah. So all we're gonna do now is glue down the areas. First, I like to start with the shoe. And like I said, if you painted your shoe, be careful because it's acetone and it's SuperStik. But for the Barge Infinity, there is no acetone in there. So make sure you know what you're using. Make sure you line it up right. Make sure you line it up right. And then make sure you peel the tape off, that way we can press it down.
We must pay homage to him.
I'm gonna heat it with the heat gun. Just make sure before you hit it with the heat gun, make sure everything is where it needs to be. All right, so now we're gonna start on the other side.
We must pay homage to him.